Let's complete some measures with rests for level 8.
So here's a typical question. Let's take a look at the first one. They want 9 quarters. We know that it's in compound time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always in groupings of 3. So let's see what we have here. 2/16 equals an eighth. An eighth and an eighth is a quarter. So he's done. Now we got to complete these rests. Never combine beats 2 and 3, even in compound time. So we would put 2 quarters. So this grouping is done. Let's take a look at what we do have here. So we have 1 quarter. That's done. So this is an eighth. We always have to use the same type of rest as the notice beside. So another 2/8. Made another quarter. So that's him. So all we needed was a quarter to complete this grouping. Now because this grouping is in compound time 3 quarters, we can use one rest, which would be a half rest, with a dot. You can only use dotted rests in compounded time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's another one. Same question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's always best to try and draw in what you are creating. So let's see what we have. 2/16 equals an eighth. Well, this is only a 16th. We have to use the same type of rest to complete it. So an eighth and an eighth is a quarter. So he's done. We can combine the strong to the weak. So that would be a half rest. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, think of this as 1, 2, 3, and the rest are pulses in compounded time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can combine all this. So 2 quarters and 2 quarters, so it's a half rest. And we would use the dot for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's take a look at another one in the same exam. This is now in hybrid time, 7/8. So what do they want? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to see what we have first. Remember, it has to be compounded with simple 3s plus 2s or 2s and 3s. But let's see, we have a 1, 2, 3. So we have already 1, 2, 3. We need 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2/8 make a quarter and another quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could never do 3 plus 3 plus 1. No, right? It only has to be 3s and 2s, combinations. It could have, but because this started with 3, we went 3 plus 2 plus 2. So we're going to stay in the same format, all right? If it's in the same score, try to stay in the same format with hybrid time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what we have, a 32nd. So we do another type of rest, exactly the same as the notice beside. 2 32nds made a 16th. So we need another 16th. 2/16 made an eighth. So he is done. That's beat 8. We need beat 7, so we put another eighth. So he's done. Now let's take a look. This is the compounded time. We can use a dotted rest when it's a full grouping. Only in compounded time can you use dotted rests. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. We need 4, 5. So that's going to be a quarter. 4, 5. And we have here 6, 7. So here's another compound time. We always take the top number divided by 3. We're going to have 4 groupings of 16ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have beats 1, 2. He's done. He's done. There's beat 3. Now we have beat 3. We need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now think of these as simple time. Can you ever combine beats 2 and 3? Never. So let's do this one on its own. 2/16 made an eighth. We can use a dot in compounded time for full groupings. Now we need 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Think of this as strong, weak, strong, weak. The strong can carry the weak. So 2/16 is an eighth and an eighth. So that's a quarter with a dot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here's another one. Same question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What do we have? We have beat 1. This dot is worth half the value, which is a 32nd. 2 30-seconds equal a 16th. There's beat 2. And we just need beat 3 with another 16th. Let's see the ending. 2 30-seconds equals a 16th, so there's beat 12. Now, we can combine these because think of these as strong to the weak, weak, each little grouping itself. So 2/16 equals an eighth. Okay, so that's going to be for 10 and 11. Now, in simple time, this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can never combine these, so we got to keep them separate. So we would make this with an eighth to complete him, and another dotted eighth to complete him. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we have one in simple time. They want 3 half notes. Okay, so we have a quarter note with 2 dots. So let's look at this first dot. It's half the value, so that's an eighth. This other one is half the value of the eighth, so it's a 16th. So we need another 16th, all right, to complete him. 2/16 is an eighth, and an eighth is a quarter. And this quarter made beat 1. Now we need beats 2 and 3. We can never combine beats 2 and 3, so that's a half rest, because that's the type of note we're creating, and that's it. We're still at the same type of question. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at what we have. Here's a triplet. Now we play the triplet, but when we have to do rests, don't count the last one. What do these two make? 2 quarters made beat 3. This is the strong, weak to the weak. The strong can carry the weak, so this will be a whole rest for beats 1 and 2. Here's another type of question where we have to add the time signature. So we always try to add 2 of something to see what we have. Okay, so 2/16 here make an eighth, and I have an eighth. Well, I already have an eighth there. Those 2/16 made an eighth, and I have an eighth there. A quarter note then, I could have 2 eighths in there. 2/16 made an eighth. Okay, so what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 eighths. What is that? That's hybrid time. So let's look at that again, because hybrid time members groupings of 3s and 2s. So we have here 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Here. 6, 7. 2/16 is an 8. 8. And then, so 8, 9, 10. So I have groupings of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? It has to be, so I know this is a little bit more difficult because we had to try to create these groupings. We couldn't put 2/16. Who are they going with? They have to complete beats, right? Is an eighth. So you'd have 3 eighths there anyways. 1, 2, 3. 3 eighths. So we're safer to say that we can divide this in groupings of 3s and 2s. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another one where we have to add the time signature. Let's see what we have. We see here at quintuplet. So right away see what they make. 2/16 make an eighth. 2 of something. It made an eighth. Well, those 2 made a quarter. We're not going to count him, remember? As soon as we get something, we made a quarter there. Well, 2/32 made a 16th. A 16th and a 16th is an eighth. Plus this eighth. Well, we made another quarter there. These 2/16 make an eighth. Plus this eighth. Well, we made another quarter there. And there's a quarter. What did we make here? 4 quarters.